Every day, my inbox is full of updates, openings, closures, and new protocols that travelers need to be mindful of. Honestly, it can feel a bit overwhelming at times to keep up. Hello and welcome. My name is Sarin Raj, and I am a luxury travel advisor. As changes to international travel continue daily, a lot of us are enjoying the open road this past summer while staying close to home and taking advantage of places that offer plenty of social distancing, like national parks and boutique hotels. I love planning road trips for you, big and small. And when designing these domestic adventures, there are a few details I always include that promise to take your road trip up a notch and create many memories along the way. Today, I'm sharing with you three travel tips that you can use on your next road trip. The first one is while planning your route from A to B, look to see if there is a scenic option. Google Maps will always take you on the interstates and the highways to get you there as quickly as possible. But quite often, a stunning scenic drive is nearby and won't add as much time as you might think. Number two, now that you are on the scenic route, you'll likely be driving through or near some areas that you wouldn't have otherwise, which makes finding local restaurants and cafes even easier. Look ahead to see where you'll be around lunchtime and stop for a nice meal en route to your destination. Exploring culinary specialties of different cities en route always provides fun memories while also offering a fantastic opportunity to get out, stretch, take a break, and also indulge as well as help with our local community and economy. Number three, road trips are fun and adventurous, but they can quickly become exhausting. Somewhere along the way, preferably on the back half of the journey, find a place nice to stay and enjoy a couple days with no road time. Bonus points if it's a beautiful view, delicious food, spa time, and stunning hikes are within close proximity to really enjoy this downtime. Now, did you enjoy those three tips that I shared? Tell me in the comments below. And where did your road tripping take you this summer? And how many scenic routes were you able to find along the way?